Hey everyone, here is my new electronic blood pressure monitor that I just recently got. It comes with 4 batteries. Here is the area for the batteries. It also can be powered by connecting the device using this USB-C cable, USB-C port located right here. And next to it you can see on and off toggle. The device can keep records for 2 people. I can select person 1 or person 2 before using it. When selected, just push this button and it's ready to use. I'm gonna connect the sleeve right here. Done. And now I'm gonna try it on and you will see the result. Right here there is an instruction how to use it. So I'm gonna insert my arm and press the start button. Here you can see my blood pressure. It looks normal for me. And this is how easy and simple I can use this device. Thank you for watching.